In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix large images causing lag in PowerPoint. If your slides feel sluggish when you scroll, switch views, or try to present, oversized images are often the culprit. Let's walk through how to tame them so your deck stays smooth and responsive without sacrificing clarity. Start by clicking the image that's slowing things down. When an image is selected, PowerPoint shows the Picture Format tab. Open it, then choose Compress Pictures. This is where you'll cut the bulk. If you don't need to preserve anything you've cropped out, enable Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures to permanently remove that hidden content. Next, set a sensible resolution. Web, which is 150 ppi, keeps slides looking sharp on most screens while reducing size. Email, at 96 ppi, is even lighter and great for simple graphics or when file size is critical. If you see an option to apply the change to all images, use it when your whole deck needs trimming. For even better results, resize images before importing them. In an image editor, scale each picture to roughly the size it will appear on the slide. For a 16.9 slide shown full screen, that's often near 1920 by 1080 pixels. There's no benefit in inserting a 6,000 pixel photo if it will display as a small thumbnail. It just inflates the file and slows everything down. If you're working with huge, high-detail visuals, consider linking instead of embedding. Go to Insert, Pictures, then choose Link to File. PowerPoint will reference the image from its original location, keeping the presentation lighter. Just remember, if you move or share the presentation, keep the linked images with it in the same folder so the links don't break. File format matters too. If you're using TIFF or BMP, convert those to more efficient formats. Use JPEG for photos and complex gradients. It offers excellent compression with minimal visual loss. Use PNG for graphics with sharp edges, text, or transparency. That balance alone can shave megabytes off your deck. Finally, clean up the Slide Master. Go to View, Slide Master, and remove any large background images you're not actually using. Those hidden assets still count toward file size and can slow editing. When you're done, close the master view to return to your slides. Apply these adjustments, and your PowerPoint should feel noticeably faster. Compress what you don't need. Size images smartly, link truly massive files, choose efficient formats, and tidy your masters. Your audience will notice the polish, and you'll notice the smooth performance.